Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video is a throwback to our Wing Chun and Grappling. It's defending the round punch with Bu Sao and moving into a neck throw. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
First front throw to go over with. If you're taller, it'll be easier to use an around the neck hold. If you're shorter than your opponent and you find yourself reaching up for this throw, you might find it easier around the waist or back. So we'll line up cross. Josh is going to step in and throw a high hook. I'm going to use something like a Bu Sao or a Lop Sao to grab. And with any front throw, you want to get it in front of the person's hips as much as possible, especially if it's a full hip throw. If it's a half hip, you can line up sideways, but we're going to do a full hip one. All right. From here, if I want to add the realistic application, I throw a strike to obstruct to keep this hand busy or take his attention away. As I step, I'm going to wrap high. For me, this is easier because there's a height difference between him and I. So one more time. Boom, but if I was shorter and around his neck would be hard, going around the back or waist would work just as well. Again, boom, boom, I'm going to wrap. This lead foot turns in sideways, so I'm bladed 90 degrees from him. Other foot's gonna step just in line, like that. And this is squeezing really tight around his neck. If this is loose, I lose leverage. I'm pulling this hand forward, all right? So, view or lock, hit. Pull him towards you as you step in front of him. Lock his head. Squat, sink, lift up, and throw. We'll do that one more time. Same idea. Lock, hit, wrap. I gotta drop low, pick him up, and throw. And there's our front throw around the neck. If you're shorter than the individual, just go around the waist, hold it, cup it, and it'll work just as well.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.